We drove all the way out to the boat with all our worldly possessions, and it's locked. We can't get in.
Hi, I'm Becca.
And I'm John.
This is Luna.
And this is Hopesend. We are in New York. This is our big East Coast boat look trip where we're looking at what? How many boats?
4.
We left Ohio at about 10 o'clock last night. It is about 10 o'clock in the morning.
We spent 12 hours.
We drove almost the entire time. We took breaks sleeping while the other person drove, and then we kind of just made a pit stop at about 5 o'clock in the morning and slept for about 2 hours in the back with a futon.
We are still in Long Island. We looked at 2 different boats, Catalina 42 Mark II 2000. We looked at a Beneteau, I'm gonna mess this up again.
Cyclades.
We looked at a Beneteau Cyclades. We looked at a Beneteau Cyclades for 3.3. We have another appointment at 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon down in Virginia to see another Beneteau Cyclades. This one's at 51.5 though. It'd be interesting to compare this Beneteau that's the same, almost the same exact boat, just different size, with that one in particular. We're in Annapolis.
After 18 total hours of driving, we're in Annapolis. Don't ever go through New York, Manhattan at rush hour. Here's our home for the next 2 nights to see the next 2 boats.
So excited for the bed.
Off to see boat number 2 that we probably won't record because we didn't record any of the other 3s.
Boat number 2.
4. Boat number 4.
This is boat number 4. I don't want to say it because there are things wrong with it. There are.
Oh, yeah. After we returned back to Ohio after falling in love with 4 different boats from our East Coast trip, we took our fur family on a short sailing adventure on Lake Erie where we became pirates for the weekend.
6, 5, 7.
Where are we going?
To Middle Bass Island.
During our pirate shenanigans, we came to realize what boat we really liked, and we ended up coming back and putting an offer in on that boat.
David, did you have a sec?
Yes, we do.
We just presented your new number to the seller. He is going to need the night to kind of consider it, think about it, think it over, and he said he's going to let us know, tomorrow morning where his thoughts lie.
Well, it's not a no.
It's not a no.
Okay, congrats, guys.
Thanks.
Talk to you soon.
Talk soon. Bye.
Bye.
Did we just buy a boat?
We might have just bought a boat.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. It's a little after 6 o'clock in the morning. John and I just drove from Ohio to Long Island. We just got here a couple minutes ago. There's the sunrise. Our boat is somewhere out there, or the boat we're getting surveyed today. It is low tide right now, and I mean, I'm a lake girl, so I'm so not used to tides, and so it's really weird to see the water so low. We're here in Long Island. Our haul out is at 9 o'clock for our survey start. For a survey for a Beneteau Cyclades 43. We're really excited. This is the first boat that we've actually had surveyed. We have had a lot of boats that ended up not working out. And this is the farthest that we've gotten with this one. I don't know how much we're actually going to be filming of the survey because we really haven't had anybody's approval for it. We're still a little new to this recording thing and doing it in front of other people and having other people be filmed. So we'll try to get some pictures of the boat for everybody, or a video of the boat for everybody, and hopefully all goes well today.
We were waiting for our survey. We were just getting skimmed by a whole lot of thunderstorms. Doesn't look nearly as black as what it actually is. We have our survey in less than 30 minutes. Oh, okay. Back in the car. Back in the car. Back in the car.
Happy survey day.
It's not gonna rain. That's not rain. The marina still is towing the boat to the well to lift it up so we can do the out of water survey first, because it's in the water right now. I don't think they're gonna be doing it right now. I think they're gonna wait till the storm passes.
We're in our hotel room in Long Island. We had the survey done today. Didn't really feel comfortable recording any of the survey or the survey because of the surveyor and not having the seller's approval and that kind of thing. Don't mind my voice right now. I'm having really bad allergies / might be sick. So yeah, John's already in bed.
Hi.
It's 8 o'clock on a Friday.
I'm tired.
You had a bit?
I had 3 hours of sleep on a 10-hour car ride.
Yeah, we're really tired. We're gonna stay here tonight and then drive back tomorrow. The survey
Says
it took a lot longer than I thought a survey was going to take. I knew that the survey was probably gonna take a really long time. 6.5 hours.
Mm-hmm.
I started a little after 9 a.m. Ended, I think, a little bit after 3 p.m. We're tired. So
Becca didn't know where to put the GoPro, so I put it on my toe. Ultimate selfie stick. The visibility on this toe is not good. Hello, everybody. Oh, I gotta trim the sails. Hold on. All right, we're taking an impromptu trip to the islands. I am solo sailing this boat because Becca is on our old boat, which is now her brother's, or my brother-in-law's. And we're going through what I call the gauntlet. So we got Cedar Point here, and there's just a lot of traffic. I don't want to show you the sails because I got both of them reefed. We got all the animals on board. I'm solo sailing and this is the gauntlet, so I want to be able to roll them in kind of quickly and not be overpowered when we're getting blasted by every power boat. I am through the gauntlet. Still reefed, a lot of wind. No work. We haven't sailed in a while, so our speed is a little wonky, but we're doing at least 6 knots. 6 knots with reefed everything. Not too shabby. Sail shape is garbage. Got auto, got a bunch of lines. I need to clean the cockpit. All right, now we race. Sabada, 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 sabada. It's a race. Words cannot express how great this sail was. One of those once every couple of years kind of perfection. This perfect sail was weaved years ago when a kid and his grandpa passed a marina on a 10-foot John boat, drooling all over the big sailboats. Flash forward to the present, that same kid is sitting here, sailing up to a boat that he found in that same marina. A boat that him and his wife put back together with blood, sweat, and love. A boat that she and her brother grew up sailing on and now currently sailing on. I am happy for the fact that the quality of our camera cannot see my tears of joy, as this was one of the biggest heartfelt moments that I've ever had. Hey Becca.
Hey.
Why is our boat destroyed?
It's been a very eventful day. Haven't really filmed anything about us buying our new boat yet. We are taking the cats to my dad's tomorrow morning. He has graciously offered to take them, and we'll probably talk more about that at some point in time, why we decided not to take our cats with us. We will be moving us and Luna out to the East Coast.
Welcome to the boat. It's about 900 degrees and we're packing up the boat. It's going pretty well. Becca's on a routine of going and going and going. She's a pack monster.
I thought you had the captain's hat on and you were doing that.
All aboard! We're packing up the boat. We're about halfway done. We did drop the cats off at Becca's dad's house, my father-in-law's house. Ah, there's a bee! Where's the tennis racket? We packed the tennis racket. How am I gonna hit it with this? Just like, wow.
Little things need to go into like this bag and...
There's so many little things. Moving the boat, you don't have any big things like a big piece of furniture. It's all like, the boat is one giant junk drawer.
You said drunk.
Drunk drawer.
Drunk.
We don't have a drunk drawer on the boat. We have a drunk drawer. It's called the cooler. Best part about packing the boat is because everything's already compartmentalized. So it's just, all of this stuff goes into a box that's that size. And so you just put it in a box. And like that stuff goes into that box. And that goes into a box. Then I underestimated the amount of boxes that we may need.
We made it.
The long drive.
We
left at what, 10? 9? 10?
No, like
10
10
o'clock?
11 o'clock. Yeah, 10:30
At night.
maybe.
Drove through the night. Stopped for maybe about an hour to sleep.
Yeah.
And then we slept, whoever was not driving was
You
sleeping.
gotta go potty?
And now we are here in the parking lot. Our U-Haul made it. This is the first time we're opening the trailer door since we packed it late last night. It's very full. All right. Ooh, nothing fell out so far. Stuff did fall, I think, but peekaboo. Our boat is on a mooring ball, so we got to go take the marina taxi over to our boat, get our boat, fire it up for the very first time as soon as we, not as soon as we step foot on it, but get on our boat, fire it up, bring it over to the gas dock, so then we can load it from the land. Should be interesting.
You just call on channel 71.
71? All right, what's your name?
Yeah.
We're on the boat for the first time. This is our boat.
This is our boat.
Holy sh**.
I feel like we're not allowed to be here right now.
I feel like we're on somebody else's boat.
I feel like we're not allowed to be here right now.
Well, we paid for it.
We paid to be here.
We paid a lot of money for it.
What do you think, Loon? Huh, Loon? What do you think?
Sheesh. What do you think, Looney? Do you have a lot of room on this one? Do you have a lot of room on this one? Here, let's put this up. Maybe you'll feel more secure with that. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Go get Dad.
This is our boat.
Oh boy.
Before we do that.
We need to find the key. So.
Oh. It is Sunday. What would you call it? The
broker.
The broker office is closed. We don't have the number to the owner. We bought the boat. We have signed contracts. We purchased the boat. We paid for the boat. We drove all the way out to the boat with all our worldly possessions, and it's locked. We can't get in. We can't find the key. We're stuck on a boat. They put it in this side, I swear.
Yeah, okay, so when we got on and off of the boat during the survey, and then also when they first showed us the boat, they were reaching They were reaching into one of these lazarettes to get the key. We just don't know where the key's at. We've checked like
Unless
the
they accidentally
table.
had it in their pocket, but I don't see.
I've checked all the hatches and everything. They're sealed. I mean, we're gonna get into our boat, Ed. I'm not worried about getting in. I'm more so worried about having to break something in the process. I don't know. Lynn's comfortable though. She's like, yeah, I just need some water.
Does not smell good.
Huh?
So the boat definitely has the poop smell.
Yeah.
I can't imagine they would put it in here.
No.
It's not in here. It's not in there. That we know of.
I really don't know where else you'd put it.
Put it in the visor? Like in the movies? Yes, it is.
It has a lot of give though. Not that I want to break our doors, but
No, because it's locked down there. There's no way we're getting into that. Breaking into our boat. We've drove 1,000 miles and we don't have the key.
In desperation, Becca found a piece of aluminum flat bar that could fit between the louvers of our companionway doors, in hopes that we could unlock the lock. Quickly, the high of excitement wore off and was replaced by overlooming dread and unimaginable defeat. If we could not get into our boat, we would have to wait 2 days until the broker's office opened to inquire about a key. Here's how to break into our boat that we just bought.
I just pulled those sideways
oh duh. Oh my gosh.
because this wasn't locked. Because that's like the lock to keep you from doing that. But this is a long way down.
Here,
I gotta jump down in there under this couch settee. Oh, okay.
you okay?
Yeah, I'm on the table. I'm in.
Ah, you're in.
I'm in. Maybe at the door. Like crib style. There's no way we would have got this open.
Why?
That would have been really hard. Yeah, that would have been really hard.
Whoo!
Hello. Welcome to my crib. We got into our boat. I'm more excited that we got into the boat than we own the boat. I'm just gonna have to pick her up. Good girl, we got you. We got you.
Good girl.
Come on.
Come on. Oh.
Good
Yeah.
girl.
Woo.
Yeah. Here it is.
We are here in our new boat. After about a 10-12 hour-ish drive, we are on a mooring ball right now. So that's problematic because how do we get everything from the U-Haul trailer to the mooring ball? So we're gonna have to take the boat off the mooring ball, which is very nerve-wracking.
First time.
The very first day we're on our boat, we have to move it and dock it. Cleaning it and moving stuff on it and moving some of the previous owner's stuff off of it. And that's kind of the plan. And then John wants to work on learning the systems better because it's a whole new boat with whole new systems that we're completely not used to. So that's kind of the plan for today.
Figure out where we want to sleep too.
I gotta figure out where we want to sleep.
Our U-Haul has exploded
Into our boat.
into our boat. This half cabin. Queen size bed. Jam packed full.